atomic number. Did we do the concept of atomic number Z?
Z?
Yes, of course we did. Atomic number. What is atomic number? What is atomic?
कितने उसमें एटम्स हैं?
अच्छा, कितने उसमें atoms? उसमें कितने atoms हैं?
Proton and electron.
number of protons and electrons.
Raw.
Protons, electrons and neutrons.
Raw.
Only electron.
Raw. Only protons. Only protons. Why? Because the number of electrons is ever changing. I showed it to you.
हाँ, protons.
हाँ, सोडियम के साथ क्या हुआ? सोडियम का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हमने कैसे निकाला? ऑक्टेट रूल से।
Minus.
ऑक्टेट रूल से निकाला कि नहीं? Keep your mouth shut. Octet rule we use. What are the two rules in octet rule? First is the number of atoms, the number of electrons present in each shell is decided by the formula of 2n square. Second rule is very important. That there can never be more than 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So हम जब देख रहे हैं कैल्शियम में 2, 8, 10 हो जा रहा है. ऑक्टेट रूल के अकॉर्डिंगली 2, 8, 18 हो सकता है, बट आउटरमोस्ट शेल में 10 तो नहीं हो सकता, 8 ही होना पड़ेगा. So we take those 2 and put it in the next shell. We add an extra shell and do that. Same for potassium. Potassium has electronic configuration, has atomic number Z as 19. So 2, 8, 9 होता तो कितना अच्छा होता है कि नहीं? फर्स्ट ऑक्टेट रूल तो वो सेटिस्फाई कर रहा था, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकंड ऑक्टेट रूल the outermost shell you never have more than 8 electrons. So 2, 8, 8, 1. Did you understand this very clearly? Now let's come to the concept of atomic mass, or we also call it mass number. This is represented by A, by the letter A. Atomic number was represented by the letter P, that is basically the number of proton, which is equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom, but not equal to the number of electrons in a Z as the representation, symbolic representation of atomic number को Z से represent करते हैं. Atomic mass को किससे represent करते हैं? A. अभी अगर first
P किससे
Proton.
represent करते हैं?
Proton. E electron. और बताओ N neutron.
हाँ,
और कुछ
नहीं
Na सोडियम.
मेरे को लगा कि वो I was confused कि Z
हाँ,
होता है
proton.
कि P होता है.
समझा भी?
हाँ.
सुनो ध्यान से सुनो. So the story, the first part of the chapter told us that the mass is all in the center of the nucleus or not. Mass center of the nucleus है. Electrons has to move around in the orbit. So electrons are practically massless. Electrons have no mass as if we compare it with neutrons and protons. So before understanding atomic mass, let us try to understand the yes. First, let us try to understand. Before understanding this, let us try to understand the distribution of mass of protons, electrons, and neutrons. ठीक है? Weight, electrons, protons, neutrons. ठीक है? Electrons, protons, and neutrons. What is the charge of electron?
Negative.
नेगेटिव, लेकिन कितना नेगेटिव? हम लोग यूनिट चार्ज -1 बोलते हैं, प्रोटॉन का +1 बोलते हैं और न्यूट्रॉन का 0. But the value of the charge is measured in coulomb. What is it measured in? Coulomb. So the value of the charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power -19 coulomb. 1.602 into 10 to the power -19 कूलम होता है, -1 चार्ज उसको हम बोलते हैं. So basically इतना बड़ा नंबर है ना. So every time the number is 1.602 into 10 to the power -19 कूलम, we call it unit positive charge. Unit positive charge. ये positive number है ना. It is a positive number. 1.602 into 10 to the power -19. ये तो 10 to the power -19 है. नंबर तो पॉजिटिव है ना. So this cannot be the charge of electron. Charge of electron will be -1.602 into 10 to the power -19. So if -1.602 into 10 to the power -19 is the charge of electron, what will be the charge of proton? Who will tell me?
1.6.
Yes, plus 1.602 into 10 to the power -9. समझ में आया? Value. और न्यूट्रॉन का तो 0 ही रहेगा. Did you understand so far? Now let's come to the mass. So charge is for this 1.602 into 10 to to the power into 10 to the power minus 19 कूलम। चार्ज समझ गए?
अब
बोल।
कूलम का स्पेलिंग बता।
COULOMB कूलम। COULOMB कूलम। कूलम was named for any charges we talk about, say कूलम। ये हो गया मेरा चार्जेस का। Let's come to the masses. Can I say electron has practically unit mass? Unit mass मतलब क्या? Assume करते हैं हम लोग mass। जैसे यूनिट चार्ज -1 +1 0 assume करते हैं, एक्चुअल चार्ज क्या है ये? वैसे ही यूनिट मास इलेक्ट्रॉन का 0 assume करते हैं और प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन का 1 1 assume करते हैं कि नहीं हम? Because we always say that the mass of the entire atom rests in the nucleus. Electrons are practically massless. But they actually, when we try to measure, they do have a certain mass. There is a certain mass which they have. So here when we are talking about protons, the mass is 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. 1.672 ये और इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, सब हो जाते हैं। और इसका मास है 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. एक्चुअली थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, बट आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में सेम ही दिया है। So even न्यूट्रॉन का मास थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होता है प्रोटॉन से, but we take it to be the same.
हम इलेक्ट्रॉन कुछ भी
नहीं रहता है।
वो 1.672
इसका क्या रहता है मैं बताती हूँ।
10 to the power
ये क्या होता है
minus
पता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन is equal to 1/1837 times mass of proton. Can I say that is equal to 1/1837 into 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams होगा। तो इसका वैल्यू आता है 9.108 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams। वैल्यू समझ गए? यूनिट वैल्यू समझ गए? वैल्यू ऑफ चार्ज समझ गए? यूनिट वैल्यू ऑफ चार्ज समझ गए? सो ये आप लिख लोगे। आई विल गिव यू टाइम टू राइट इट, डोंट वरी। हाँ
1/137 ऑलरेडी दिया था।
ये मेजर किया था तभी पता चला। जब ये मेजर किया ना एक्चुअली तभी पता चला। यस नाउ यहाँ तक समझ गए? सो now I am coming to the concept of atomic mass or mass number. Atomic mass tells me the mass, actual mass of the tentative mass of the atom. Where does the mass of the atom rest?
Nucleus.
And who is in the nucleus?
Proton.
Proton सिर्फ। प्रोटॉन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन दोनों रहते हैं कि नहीं न्यूक्लियस में?
Yes.
रहते हैं कि नहीं? और बाहर कौन घूमता है?
Electron.
इलेक्ट्रॉन है कि नहीं? ऐसा ही होता है ना? So can I say atomic mass is nothing but the product, the sum of the mass of protons and neutrons? Can I say this? Can I say atomic mass is the
Yes.
sum of the mass of protons and neutrons?
Yes.
Why?
So,
Because they are the ones who are in the nucleus.
Yes.
And nucleus is the mass of the atom. And can I say atomic number is nothing but the mass of protons? So from these two equations, अगर इसको माइनस किया दोनों को, तो ये क्या हो गया? A minus Z हो गया कि नहीं? P minus P क्या होता है? P down, बचा क्या? N. So can I say if I subtract atomic number from atomic mass, I will get the number of neutrons? है कि नहीं? ये अगर याद कर लिया ना आपने एक बार, फिर से बता दूं, सुनो। Atomic number is the number of protons. Here. Atomic mass is the number of protons plus neutrons. Here. So, if I subtract, let's say left hand side को subtract करते left hand side से right hand side को right hand side से. So can I say A minus Z is equal to P plus N minus P? That is nothing but A minus Z is equal to N. So if I subtract atomic number from atomic mass, what will I get? Number of neutrons. Will you be able to remember it? एक और small trick I will give you to remember. Please do not talk about it until you are in 10th standard. Because 10th में जाके ये पढ़ा. Last में दूंगी याद दिलाना. So is the concept of atomic number and atomic mass clear?
उधर से A minus Z उधर वाला सम.
A minus Z मैंने ये इक्वेशन से ये इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. So ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या है? A और इधर Z है. और राइट हैंड साइड में क्या है? P plus N और इधर P है. So when we are subtracting two equations, we subtract left hand side from left hand side and we subtract right hand side from right hand side. So left hand side में A minus Z है हमारे पास और right hand side में क्या है? P plus N minus P. तो P plus N minus P, P plus P minus P क्या हो गया? 0 हो गया. बचा क्या? N. समझ में आया अभी?
ये P हट जाता है.
P हटेगा क्यों? ये plus P है ना? प्लस P माइनस P तो कट हो गया ना. x माइनस x क्या होता है? 0. 1 माइनस 1 क्या होता है? 0. बचा न्यूट्रॉन.
Z से क्या होता है?
Z होता है एटॉमिक नंबर. एटॉमिक नंबर मतलब the number of protons present in an atom. So once again I am recapitulating the entire thing. Atomic number Z. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of the atom of an element. What is atomic number? The number of protons present in the nucleus of the atom of an element. It is represented by Z. In a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of
Electrons.
But when it exchanges electrons, what will happen? Either the number of protons become higher, or the number of basically either the number of electrons increases or the number of electrons decreases. So depending on either it has accepted electrons or donated electrons, can I say the atom becomes an ion? So ion, what is the difference between major difference between atom and ion?
Ions and electrons are not equal.
Right? What else? Ions have charge. Electrons, atoms don't have charge. Sodium atom is Na, but sodium ion में जब भी बोलूँगी तो क्या होगा? Na plus 1. क्यों? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है. इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट हो गया तो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स बढ़ गए कि नहीं? और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है. If it donates one electron only, then the number of positive charges is only more by 1. So Na ion मतलब Na plus 1. Chlorine एक ion, एक chlorine atom is how many electrons? What is the
70.
Z of chlorine? 70. So will it accept or donate? Tell me. Accept how many?
1.
So what will be the charge of sodium
Minus.
ion? Sorry, chlorine ion.
Minus
Minus 1.
Chlorine ion is a negatively charged ion. Negatively charged ions are also called as anions. What are they called?
Ions.
And positive, or they are also called as acidic ions. Book में लिख लो ये. Negatively charged ions are called as anions, or they are also called as acidic ions. Positively charged ions are called as cations or basic ions. Basic ion. Negatively charged ion is called as anion. Is also called as पूछो.
हम हर एक एटम और हर एक एलिमेंट का अलग अलग होता है ना एटॉमिक नंबर.
Yes, all element. Atomic number हर element का unique होता है. We are coming to that. Very next thing we are coming to. Positively charged ions are called as
Cations
or
basic ions.
very good.
Negatively. अरे
Positively. How will you understand the basic? Did you get a basic understanding of atom? Atom क्या करना चाहता है? It wants to become like, it wants to complete its octet. To complete its octets, it converts into ion, and ion has a charge. And can I say every atom? If I say atomic number 15, can there be more than one element who will have atomic number 15? No. Never. Atomic number 15 is reserved for only one element. Which element? Atomic number 1 is reserved for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
कार्बन
7,
Oxygen.
7.
7 का 8 ऑक्सीजन है.
7 कौन है? You don't look here and there.
हीलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम,
I don't know.
कार्बन,
बोलो.
पोटेशियम,
Beryllium.
फास्फोरस,
बेरिलियम कितने वाला है मेरे डार्लिंग? फास्फोरस. कौन है और? उसके बाद कौन है? 8 कौन है?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Then
So can I say here you're going to do that. Can I say that every number, atomic number is reserved for only one atom? But atomic mass is not reserved for every atom. You know why? Because the number of neutrons keep on changing. The more you study, you will then study neutrons. Yes, neutrons तो कोई charge नहीं देता है. Neutrons का नंबर बढ़ गया, कम हो गया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? It only adds to the weight. So every atom has certain isotopes. What does it have? Isotopes. Isotopes का मतलब ये होता है कि hydrogen can have hydrogen which exists in nature can have 0 neutrons. Some of the hydrogen may have 1 neutron. Some of the hydrogen may have 2 neutrons. So what will be the atomic number Z of hydrogen which has 1 neutron?
1 neutron, 1.
What will be the atomic number of hydrogen atom which has 2 neutrons?
2.
1 only ना. Neutron से atomic number पे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And atomic number. What about a hydrogen which has 0 neutrons? Atomic number will be 1. But what about the atomic mass? Atomic mass क्या होगा? P plus N.
अगर में change होगा.
P for every case will be 1. For all 3 types of atoms of hydrogen, P will be 1. But tell me what will be the A for your hydrogen which has 0 neutrons.
0 massless.
0 कैसे?
नहीं हाँ.
प्रोटॉन तो एक है ना उसके पास.
1 नहीं होएगा.
What about the number? What about if neutrons are 2?
2.
Deuterium बोलते हैं उसको. And what about what if I have 1 neutron? 2. अच्छा, you people are getting confused. Listen to me again. Number of neutrons, does it affect the atomic number? So whatever be the number of neutrons, 0, 1 or 2, will it have the same atomic number 1? Hydrogen will always have atomic number 1. However, what will be the atomic mass if the number of neutrons is 0? सोच के बोलिए. Atomic mass क्या होगा if number of neutrons is 0?
1.
What if number of neutrons is 1?
2.
What if the number of neutrons is 2?
3.
Got it? So, but in nature, the hydrogen atom, मतलब out of all the isotopes, can I say these 3 are isotopes of each other? Because they have same number of electrons and protons, but they have different number of neutrons. So they have same atomic number, but different atomic mass. So Z is same, A is different. Is the concept clear? But nature में maximum एक ही टाइप के होते हैं. There are very scarcely available deuterium. बहुत कम. कार्बन 12, 13 दोनों होते हैं. कार्बन 12, कार्बन 13. कार्बन 12 क्या हुआ? जिसका एटॉमिक मास 12 है. और कार्बन 13 क्या हुआ? जिसका एटॉमिक मास 13 है. नहीं, वो वेरिएबल बैलेंस है, वो अलग बात है. So basically what are isotopes? Isotopes are substances or isotopes are elements. Let's see. The isotopes are the atoms of the same element. Do you agree? Isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different atomic mass number because of the difference in the number of neutrons. Is it clear? Is it clear?